mag-brunch na kami. It's like mga 3 in the afternoon. And then, yun, I just have on sunscreen and other stuff of the face. And judging from my last vlog, guys, I really did jinx it. Nagbe-breakout ako. And parang may mga bites dito and one here. I think ants yun. So, yeah, nakaka-piss off. Anyway, I just noticed parang mas nag-eye makeup ako whenever I stay at Luis's. I think it's because I get bored. Tapos I just use all in here as compared to when I'm at home and complete talaga yung mga gamit ko and everything. Okay, so guys, you're wondering, ito na yung state ng hair ko. I think it's still going strong. I haven't combed. I can hear Luis na. Yes! Gonna go eat! Let's go na raw. Let's go, so go! Hindi ka walantaw. And later, magta-try kami ng Korean food. I don't know why, but parang nagka-crave ako, or at least I really want to try yung dokboki because it looks like squid roll. Kaya yun, na-curious ako sa taste nun, and I'm not really into like the Korean culture or anything like that. But I used to be back in high school this year. Pero I'm not like into the whole K-drama and whatever. I'm not opposed to it. I just never got into it or don't have the time for that. So I'm bringing along Carmi again because she knows more of these things. I'm gonna have her guide me. Hopefully Alex is able to come. Kaso maybe her baby will be napping by then. So hopefully she'll be able to come though. Kasi we haven't catched up in a while. So, yun, that's my agenda for today, and hopefully I can also catch up with Sasha later on, because she's actually around, so, see you later! Look guys, big na yung mga poppers. Stop lang, gang. Don't jump on me. No? No? Side? I'm sorry, baby. Sorry. So we're here at Paseo for this. And kakain na lang kami sa Gabbys. It's about 3:30 na kasi, and I don't want to eat rice. Kasi maghab-hab kami mamaya, maglafang kami mamaya on 6. So I don't want to destroy my appetite. So magpapasta na lang ako. So here is Gabbys. What are you gonna eat? Babe. What time we eat? What? So, our food's here. Pinay arabiata lang sa akin. Tad bit. Ketchup spice. Kasi, wow. That's how I like it. Got my vanilla smoothie, smoothies, Coke lang, and what did you order? What did you order? Backwards? So let's eat. Guys, I'm just following the Jeffree Star drama, The States, and Manny MUA just issued an apology video. So I'm gonna watch that while I eat. So let's eat. Soban! Ha? Ako nakuha na ko ang settings. Here lang ka. Dog squid na tanan. Namiha ka po, dog squid na tanan. Ang side dish and ang gimbap. Wala pa ang main food. Nico! Dokboki, ang gimbap, and some side dish. And then Nico. Wala pa ang kaniko.
Grilled sisig.
Lockdown na ninyo.
Okra. Pwede matapos.
Ang sabi? Pero marsyag na ay rice cake ra Japon ba yun?
Oo na, yun.
Ano? Pagkanan lang. Oh gosh. Ugly na ng lips ko. It's actually already 4 a.m. Crazy. After dun sa eating session namin, we just went over to Sasha's place. We sent Carmi home, and then thank you. Nag-catch up yung kami.
Huh?
Nag-catch up yung kami ng Sasha and the boys were playing. I didn't vlog much because we're just catching up. For a long time. Huh. After this, I'm just gonna do my face and then go to sleep. So, catch you later. Bye.